Today we will learn that how to write millions in front of all amounts. You can see here we have these values. If we want to write million with each value, like this, it is not correct. Don't write in this way. You can see down sum is showing error, not counting the values where manually we are writing million. It is incorrect method, and also it is time consuming. Here I will let you know how to write millions with all values. Just select the cells where you want to write millions with values. Just press Ctrl+1 button, or from main taskbar can select Format Cells option, and under Number option just select Custom option. Remove General from Custom option and write 0. Then start inverted commas, then write million and then close the inverted commas, and then press OK button. Now you can see million has written with all values. So in this way we can write million or any other text along with values in just few seconds if we have big sheet. Now you apply the same trick on your Excel sheet and let me know. Is it working or not? Or if you have any query, just write comment under comments section. If you like this video, thumbs up, share and subscribe my channel Setline Excel for more great videos.